Hello wonderful Finance Oracle community. Today I will take you through how you can calculate your points for Australia PR application. To calculate the points for Australian Permanent Residency, PR, you will need to follow the guidelines provided by the Australian Department of Home Affairs. Points are awarded based on several criteria, such as age, English language proficiency, skilled employment experience, educational qualifications, and other factors. Here's a breakdown of how the points system works. 1. Age. Points are awarded based on your age at the time of invitation. 18 to 24 years, 25 points. 25 to 32 years, 30 points. 33 to 39 years, 25 points. 40 to 44 years, 15 points. 45 to 49 years, 0 points. 2. English language proficiency. Points are based on your performance in an approved English language test, IELTS, PTE, TOEFL IBT, etc. Competent English, IELTS 6 or PTE 50 0 points. Proficient English, IELTS 7 or PTE 65 10 points. Superior English, IELTS 8 or PTE 79 20 points. 3. Skilled employment experience. Points for skilled employment in your nominated occupation, either in Australia or overseas, are as follows. Overseas skilled employment. Less than 3 years, 0 points. 3 to 4 years, 5 points. 5 to 7 years, 10 points. 8 to 10 years, 15 points. Australian skilled employment. Less than 1 year, 0 points. 1 to 2 years, 5 points. 3 to 4 years, 10 points. 5 to 7 years, 15 points. 8 to 10 years, 20 points. 4. Educational qualifications. Points are awarded based on your highest educational qualification. Doctorate from an Australian institution or other recognized standard, 20 points. Bachelor's or master's degree from an Australian institution or other recognized standard, 15 points. Diploma or trade qualification completed in Australia, 10 points. Award or qualification recognized by the relevant assessing authority for your nominated skilled occupation, 10 points. 5. Australian study requirement. Points for completing at least 2 academic years of study in Australia. Meet the Australian study requirement, 5 points. 6. Specialist education qualification. Points for completing a postgraduate degree by research or a doctorate in Australia in a specific field, STEM. Postgraduate qualification in a relevant field, 10 points. 7. Other factors. Additional points can be earned through other factors such as accredited in a community language, 5 points. Study in regional Australia, 5 points. Partner skills, 10 points. Professional year in Australia, 5 points. Example calculation. Let's calculate an example for a candidate. Age, 30 years, 30 points. English proficiency, proficient English, 10 points. Overseas skilled employment, 5 years, 10 points. Australian skilled employment, 3 years, 10 points. Education, bachelor's degree, 15 points. Australian study requirement, met, 5 points. Study in regional Australia, yes, 5 points. Total points, 30 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 15 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 85 points. Ensure you verify the latest criteria and requirements from the official Australian Department of Home Affairs website, as this can change over time.